This time, let's get on with the preparation of SITOPALADI CHURNA. This is a polyherbal powder with the reference of Charaka Chikitsa 8th chapter. This requires Kanda Sharkara, Vanshalochana, Pippali, Ela, and Twak. In order to have its fine powder, all the drugs were grounded into powder separately. No worries, you just can use mixie for that. Note the quantity of the drugs taken here. Each drug is half the quantity of the previous one. All these drugs have to be mixed thoroughly. Well, we are ready with SITOPALADI CHURNA. This can be taken with honey, ghee, or hot water. This really would relieve you from all sorts of cough, finding difficulty in breathing, or having poor digestion symptom, or your tongue isn't feeling tastes. Find it in your kitchen shelf and have it's worth a shot. Thank you.